Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
商
Watch the mouth shape for this character's pronunciation.
商诗昂商商商人商人这位商人很有诚信。这位商人很有诚信。商店商店我去商店买东西。我去商店买东西。商品商品货架上摆满了商品。货架上摆满了商品。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. This character was originally mainly used in activities related to sacrifices and astrology. Later, it extended to mean trade, doing business, and merchants. Chinese people advocate honesty and fairness in business. There is also an ancient Chinese dynasty named after this character, which marked the peak of Bronze civilization. Pay attention to making this stroke long. The right side here should be a little higher than the left. This class is over. See you next time.